Rabble show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble. You know it's a girl Absidy. I'm there to drop what at me right now. Straight Rabblings.
Me Lord, me pick the life, me pick the dead, the politician there, me two side, both PMP and GLP. No miss no help to Jamaica.
Gone. But it's a very sad time for the family. And I believe it take too long to leave. That's what the problem. It's going to 3 weeks now. It's too long. Too long. That's what we are crying. And there's no burning unit in Jamaica. No government facility. It's a shame. That's why it takes so long. That's why she lost her life. But my niece, Kerry Ann Collins, I love you. You have gone, but my love for you will never die.
Me Lord, me pick the life, me pick the dead, the politician there, me two side, both PMP and GLP. No miss no help to Jamaica. See no seats. No miss no help. When voting time come, you see them pack up your yard and vote. See you vote for them. For them turn Prime Minister. There is no help to Jamaican. No help. Them don't care about them people.
There is no burning.
Jesus, me been gone. Mighty God. Mighty God. Jesus Christ. She gone. Oh God. Mighty God, what God everything that is best. I call upon this Prime Minister for Jamaica. How many weeks to come to me cry? And him don't come to me cry. Him don't come to me cry. And he pitney dead. Me pitney dead. I ball out for the Prime Minister to come to me cry. Me ball out for the two side. Nobody come to me cry. Minister of Health, me cry out to them and them don't come to me cry. Nobody care about me. Cause them big and rich. And them have their money. So them don't care about nobody. Yeah, some people don't care about poor people. Cause them take poor people for nothing at all. Then take proof of sure. And me pitney dead. My brother not dead. My pitney care for me. She love me. I'm my breadwinner. And my pitney gone. But God know.
She lived for 12 days and she could have lived. She could have lived. It was right. Oh Jesus, there's no burn unit, no burn unit. Not no day in Jamaica, if you burn 10%, you're dead. No burn unit that town day in Jamaica to save people's life. And every minute the government them on the premise and the official fly over get for them health care. And just to report with them and get the help. And my sister dead. My sister dead because they had no burn unit. She could have lived 12 days she lived for. From the 27th of November she get burned. From the 27th. And no help at all, but just through them can fly out for get big help and big health care. The health system of idiot out here. No health care out of Jamaica for people. Poor people that even X-ray can't get. And them have official and neck and tie and fly out. Go England and Europe, go get free them health care and people that suffer. This could happen to any other people, pitney. Any other people could get murdered and KPH and suffer. Look at girl, if you 12 days in a man, you say anyhow she get the health care on time. Anyhow she get the health care on time, look at girl could have there. So they could have there. So they could have there, but she stay too long. She can't deal with it no more. Don't not call her there. KPH is a mess. The doctors them wear gloves. The doctors them wear gloves. That even gloves down there are wheelchair. You want in the wheelchair where them use to push the people in here. A peer iron. Not even wheelchair them a KPH. All them do, I come round, when election time, all of the big people them jump up money for run campaign. A peer campaign money, them big stinking money there. I not all for help people. The doctors them there here can do the work. The doctors them can there here. The doctors them are well trained to do the work. But no resources, No resources. The doctor that I can't be a cry for my sister. The doctor that I can't be a cry for my sister. Them say hurry up now, move her. The doctor say hurry up and move her. But it's too late. It's too late.
Never late for God. It was on the journey.
It's too late for Christ. How the government find so much money to campaign in both sides? Both sides, all them find money for the campaign. The amount of money pushing a campaign. The amount of money they find for the campaigning. And people lined up on the line in Jamaica. The people lined up on the line. Jamaicans wise up. Don't make them use us and abuse us. They are users. Don't let them buy you $5,000 and $10,000 and give you farm work ticket. Don't let them buy you out. The reality is real. The country is in a mess. The country is in a mess. The country is in a mess. Tough time. The country is in a mess. You need to straighten out the health system. You say your Ministry of Health, Ministry of Health is messy. The hospitals is messy. Tough time. The health system is a mess.
I call out to everybody. I call out to the world. I beg the world help. And it's one somebody who stand by my side. It's this man, Stephen. Every call I call him come. Every call I call him come. Mighty God.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.